Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process of downloading and installing Steam, a popular gaming platform. If you are new to Steam or need a quick refresher, you are in the right place. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and go to the official Steam website. You can find it at store.steampowered.com. Once you are on the website, click on the Install Steam button at the top right corner. This will start the download process. Click on Install Steam and here you can see your downloads. After the download is complete, locate the installation file, usually in your downloads folder, and double click it to run the installer. Read the instruction on the screen to know what actually is Steam. You will be asked to accept the Steam subscriber agreement. You can choose your preferred language, choose your installation location. Once you have made your selection, click Next or Install to begin the installation process. After the installation is complete, you will see the option to launch Steam. Click Finish to open the application. So here in the desktop, you can see our Steam has been already downloaded. If you don't have a Steam account, you will need to create one. Create a new account and follow the account creation process. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Steam on your computer. Now you can explore a vast library of games and connect with other gamers. Steam is a fantastic platform for gaming, so enjoy your experience and discover new adventures. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gaming related content. If you have any question or need further guidance, leave a comment below and we will be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.